What's poppin', Genies? We're going 3 a.m. Chance I couldn't alone, so I got my boy.
What's up, it's Brian Brooklyn coming at ya. So, guys,
today we're gonna be doing a Wama hide and seek with this
dog toy.
Yeah, I got the dog toy, guys. Guys, I had a pet dog, guys, but I had to silence him because he was barking.
Look at the tags are still on there too.
You see, well, I had this old dog, and it used to bother Granny. So one day she asked me to shush it for her, and I shushed it all right, guys. Look at these, guys.
These are disgusting.
There's one, and I used to have a pink one. Okay.
Oh yeah, the purple one, right?
What?
The purple one.
Well, there was another one with like this, with like.
Yeah, but it was like that, but it was purple. It was with Modi in the garage.
It's in the garage.
The what?
I know. We have like two.
The purple one was in the garage.
Okay, guys, look at this, guys. Like it's like bumpy. It's skin, like. Pause it if you want to.
Pause it if you want to.
Okay, guys, look. Which one sounds better? Yeah, guys, you can. Say you can pick the green one up at your local Walmart.
You can pick the green one up at your local Walmart. But, like, is this a holy grail of dog toys, guys? I don't know.
The tarantula was, man, I miss it. It was so realistic and good. It was like exclusive things that you have to buy online.
Gee, you should continue with the video, man.
I know, guys, but look at these. I'll show you a better view, guys. Fuck.
I'll show you a better view, guys.
Wait.
Don't do that like it's gonna be walking like that. Like just.
I know it can still.
Show it like that. That's the one. And
this one has a better color, guys. You can see it's like
side by side.
Like
put them on the ground. I'm trying to show them side by side.
Shopping to the hammerhead shark was so realistic.
I don't know, but you're brain dead, kid. Oh yeah.
So guys, I say we cut it open from here, and for this one we'll cut it open like.
No, like there's like a hole down there, guys. Like right there, guys. In that hole. We can like put like,
yeah, guys, Kong toys, guys. You can pick this up at your local Target.
Yeah, guys. Like this was on eBay for like $359.
Oh, there you go. Let's get it. Okay, guys, let's go in the bathroom, guys. We're gonna cut it open.
We already cut it open, Jay. We gotta put these in the sink.
Oh yeah.
We can't actually. Jay never turns on this light because his life is sad. Show the world, you guys. Just gotta put it in the sink.
Okay, guys, he's putting it in, guys. Meanwhile, to tell a very important message. Guys, subscribe, guys. Like, hit the like button. Tag it. Run. What weapon does it have?
The heat lamp down here.
Why?
For the nearer.
This is breaking all the rules.
Okay.
We put a hidden camera too. Okay, bro. Where should we hide, bro? Where are they, bro?
I don't know.
Me neither. We need a weapon for them. We really need to do a one behind seek with this stuffy. Like, look how freaky. It's so freaky. There's razors in here, by the way. I put. God, guys. This is so freaking insane, guys. Smash the like button, right? Let's try to go 50,000 likes, guys.
Okay. Keep talking.
Yeah, guys, it's super. It's super freaking crazy, guys. Like,
let's go over there back there. Guys,
it's just insane. Like they're gonna come after us, like wow, guys. We just went to like Octopus. We did like so many videos, guys. Check those bangers. Let's try to get 50,000 likes on that. If we get 50,000 likes, I'll upload more bangers. But that's only if we get 50,000 likes, J Nation.
I have a gun. We got a gun.
I have a wrench, guys. That's my Nagualo.
This is your Nagualo. Come on, Jay, we gotta go. Here you go. Take it.
Grab the other one. There's a real one right there.
Oh my gosh. Walking right.
I don't even need it.
Oh my god. There he is. The squid's right there, bro. The octopus.
See how freaky this is.
Holy shit, guys. It's standing. You gotta blow its head off. Wait.
It literally just moved, man. Wait.
Oh shit! Run! The run just moved. Holy shit. I didn't think that's gonna work. I'm gonna have to call Jay's house right now. The phone's dying. Why is my phone working, bro? My phone's not working. Bro, my phone's... Oh, shit!
It's right there. Yo! It's right there, look. Another one right there.
Oh, shit. They're everywhere.
Show me. It literally just moved, man.
Guys, We can do the octopus people up here.
Yeah.
Jay!
No!
What the fuck?
What should we do, bro?
You better like and subscribe or else we'll come for you. Here, squid.
What the fuck's wrong with you?
We gotta go right now.
Where?
Run anywhere.
Guys. Oh, guys.
No, don't.
I know. Guys, don't know where they are, guys. They could be fucking anywhere, bro. We're all in.
Go like that. Keep talking about it. Jesus.
Guys, like, so fucking crazy. Guys, I gotta hide, bro. Like, I gotta, bro. Like,
Guys, check it what's in the background, guys. Pause it if you want to. Where in the fuck could it be? Yo, bro. Where in the fuck could it be, guys? I don't know. Where the hell could it be? Ah, shit! What the fuck? It's the octopus, guys! It's the octopus!
why are you holding my hand?
Ah, shit!
Yo, bro, why are you holding my hand?
There's another
Just
one.
let go. Wait.
Oh my god, guys. We gotta go inside. We gotta. Holy shit, guys, do you hear that? That's crazy, guys. These octopus don't need weapons, guys. They just suck all your brains out, guys.
Here's Octopus.
We gotta go full cycle mode, guys. Here's octopus. Holy shit. Guys, we gotta go back. See, they're all gone. Fuck. Oh god. Oh shit.
There's octopuses.
Oh shit! Yo, they're right there.
Yo, bro, what's wrong, bro?
We gotta get out of here. These squids are too out of control. We gotta end the ritual right now, guys. Smash the like button. Let's try to get 50,000 likes, guys.
Yo, bro, they're attacking you, bro. Smash.
Yo, bro, show the camera. Get out of here.
Fuck.
Like and
Bro,
subscribe.
you okay?
Pause it if you want to.
Ah, let go.
You better like and subscribe, Generation. Yeah, you better like and subscribe or else we'll come for you.
Stop.
Step, jump, leap. Look, it's sending a signal. We gotta get out of here right now. We gotta call. 8. Call the police right now. My fucking back! Holy shit!
Yo.
Gee, help!
Wait, I have an idea. How do you like this? Ah!
I have an idea. Where's the other one?
Don't actually.
I hit the axe at my knee. Jesus Lord.
Okay, it looks like I'll have to do it, guys.
Son of a bitch.
What?
You said acting after doing it.
Actually not.
You're acting on giving me. Yeah. You
It's
actually
too strong.
did it first time.
Don't. I didn't mean to do it. Please don't actually.
I knocked it out.
It's on me, bro.
Come on, Jay.
Tally ho!
Oh!
It's true.
Son of a bitch!
Oh! That was actually so close. I was hitting. I almost hit you there.
Bro, get it.
What about this guy?
Better like and subscribe. Oh!
Yay!
You got to me. Guys, you're on my face.
Jay!
We gotta get them in the water, bro.
Like, you want me, nigga?
Jay! Jay, hurry up!
Stop!
Shit, guys.
I think you gotta put holy water on them, actually. Like, you know, why my hands see.
Oh my god. You got so much stuff on my face.
Yo, guys.
Remember what they told you.
You guys, smash the like button right now. Let's try to get 50,000 likes on this one, J Nation.
And, hey, and,
Bye.